check for advanced restart button, it's available here. Directly I am booting into that, using that into recovery. And regarding recovery and firmware links, I already explained. Go to community section in my YouTube channel itself. There I have clearly given, and I have made dedicated video on TWRP latest recovery. You can check out. Here we go, it's booting into recovery. As you can see, this is the latest recovery, team win recovery project available for Poco X3. This is how happens if you don't remove the passwords. If you go here also, it won't get unlocked sometimes. Here it is going to decrypt it, but don't make this mistake. Always remove the passwords before flashing the ROM. And go to wipe section and select advanced wipe and select here Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Later press this home section and select this install and select wherever the ROM zip files, everything you have downloaded. Go to micro SD card and select here download. First flash the firmware 12.5.5.0. That's the latest available firmware for Poco X3. Go to home section again and again select install and select here ROM zip file. Here we go, baikalOS 11 Surya developer 2022 327th build. I mean March 27 build. You can see here it's like 1.55 GB, but they are saying it's not GApps included. Let's see. After this I will flash the GApps Android 11 one, because this is a Android 11 ROM. But the good news is ANX Camera is pre-installed here. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. And go to home section again, select, and here select the something I change. Okay, go to GApps. Here I have Flame GApps 11 full and basic also. I will select this one, flash it. As you can see, it also takes a little bit of time to flash. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the GApps zip file is also successfully flashed. Go to home section again and select here wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Go to home section again and again select reboot and select the system. I hope it boots into ROM. Here we go, Poco logo appears and bootloader is unlocked. Some people comment me that even if the bootloader is locked, they're commenting. And here we go, the baikalOS booting animation. It's look cool. The bear is running towards its food like that, and baikalOS, it's good. In this video we are going to see the what all the benchmark results, how is the gameplay in bgmi, and what all the customization and how different from other ROMs, and what is the kernel use. Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath FX Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, and here we go, baikalOS most requested video on this channel regarding Poco X3 custom ROM reviews with Android version. Still it's an 11, but baikalOS version is 11.1 and 5th February 2022 security patch available, and kernel used here is 4.14.264 Chidori kernel has been used here. It's also a latest build, March 27th, and Sync status is enforcing. I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes 2 seconds. You can see here the maximum is, let me increase a little bit of brightness. Okay, the maximum is 136 and average is 131 and minimum is 103 million GIPS, and it's throttled to 92% of its maximum performance. That's not the bad. And this is how the live wallpaper it looks. Let me press here, and this is the battery bar you can see here. Let me press here and into the widgets. It's Android 11 build, we don't expect that. Android 12 widgets, and here comes the home screen settings. There are plenty of settings and customization, and some of the important customizations are also available in this ROM. You can see here, show free RAM in recents. You can enable or disable from here, like icon labels in drawer. You can adjust the background opacity from here, and hidden apps you can see here at a glance, date, font, format and spacing, everything you can edit from the home screen. And double tap gesture you can enable here. Swipe down to clear all recents, you can enable or disable from here. Even the notification gestures are also you can enable or disable from here. Not just this. Now coming into dialer, let's see, let me increase a little bit of volume here. There is a direct video call feature available in this room. Let's see whether the call recording is available. Yes, there is a call recording too, but it will notify that your call is being recorded. That's how it is, and I will disconnect it. The calling experience is fine, the earpiece quality is fine enough, no problem regarding that too. It's working fine even with Bluetooth earphones and Bluetooth headphones and even wired earphones, everything working fine in terms of call quality. There is no problem, and carrier aggregation support is also available in this room. This is the animation you can see here. Let me bring the Chrome here. That how you can adjust the home screen settings, and here you can see the battery bar again. This is the live wallpaper. If you want, you can change some of the wallpapers are pre-installed here. Go to styles and wallpapers, and into live wallpapers, as you can see, it takes time to load sometimes. That how it is. Pre-installed wallpapers are present in this room, but it's limited, and some of the Android 11 type, not 12 type. And good thing in this room is the ANX camera support. As you can see, even ultra wide angle going to work fine, 2x going to work fine, every feature working fine in this ROM. As you can see, vlog mode, it takes a little bit of time to update. As you can see, everything is working fine. If you want, you can use ANX camera. If you want something advanced, then you can use this kind of Gcam ports. This is my favorite, the Arno build Gcam. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports in Gcam, but in this Gcam is you can use ultra wide angle. That's the great thing about that Gcam board. That's about the camera, and camera quality, it depends upon how you take. That's it. The camera is fine enough as it is with Poco X3. That's how it is. You need to take good photograph, that up to you. And coming into, like, we will get gallery application. It's like a little bit duplicate to MIUI gallery app, and not much of a features, but it's look like that. That's how it is. And ANX, here some settings will become, as you can see, you can adjust furthermore. Hello, this how the ANX camera scanner you can use like that. And into the settings you get some of other settings like Baikal extras. I'll show you later part in the video in the settings panel that I will show you. And camera application works fine. And coming to benchmark results, here the Antutu benchmark results are also fine but not great. As you can see, 3,14,648, and temperature rise was just 0.3 degrees Celsius, and 2% of battery has been dropped during this testing. That's really fine. It means you will get very good battery life using Chidori kernel. I will try with some other ROMs also, but it's very good with this baikalOS maybe. That's why they are using it to that kernel, I mean Chidori kernel. That's how it depends, guys. It won't be the same with any other ROMs too. That you need to keep in mind. And here we go, and I will also show you the Geekbench scores. History, as you can see, single score is 506 and multi score is 1385, and you can see here 4.14.264, a little bit updated kernel. This is Chidori, but that's how it is. The performance in the benchmark results is not that high. I hope in any upcoming builds or any Android 12 build, as of now, no information about that. Android 11 updates are going to be filled with, Telegram group is filled with baikalOS. Every week you will get updates sometimes, and every week you will get 3 times the update, like that. It depends, but you will get update regarding this baikalOS. Coming into DRM info, here you get level 1 certification. As you can see, you can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution. That's not the problem. Into the safety net status, it should get passed. As you can see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications and WhatsApp. Those things are going to work fine, no problem regarding that. You can use any payment application, that's going to be work fine in this ROM. Now let's go into settings, something updating. I will uninstall this Antutu benchmark it simply takes background processing. I will uninstall that. Okay, this is the quick settings panel. It looks like Android 1 program. I remember that I was using Mi A1 like that. It's QS panel, you can see here with green accent colors. You can change them if you want, but it's how it looks. And torchlight working fine, and front camera, back camera options are given. And let me show you the dark theme. As you can see, it's pitch black condition. That's I really like. As you can see on the settings panel, on the home screen, and app drawer is not pitch black condition, but everything is in pitch black condition. I'll turn off the dark theme. Now coming to settings, without wasting time, it's already a lengthy video. Okay, now coming to settings here, baikalOS extras you get. As you can see, system, general baikalOS settings and default. Plenty of options here. Disable front camera, back camera, microphone, access. These are Android 12 features that are present in now Android 11. That's really good. The baikalOS made it possible. And bypass charging and full bypass charging, and minimum refresh rate you can keep here 30, and maximum refresh rate up to 120. That's how it is. It's really good. These options are present in the system baikalOS settings. And if UI and location mode and performance profile, thermal profile, screen of profile, idle thermal profile, you can change here. As you can see, PUBG, HD, like that you can change here. Let me choose to gaming. Let's see whether we'll get smooth plus extreme options or not. I don't know, it wasn't there before. And unrestricted storage you can enable from here, and use assisted GPS also you can enable from here. These are the cool customization available in system. Now into app profiles, you get application profiles. As you can see, you can change some of the settings here, and backup is also available, and restore is also available, and reset the app settings are also available here. Into the power save, you get aggressive idle, fast device idle, stamina on screen of unrestricted network, and cached app freezer. Plenty of options you can see here. Hide idle from GMS and idle from apps, and block always defer jobs, block and stamina. Those things are given in power save settings. And audio tweaks, you get plenty of options here too. If you're going to use any Bluetooth earphones, then these options going to be a handy feature. As you can see, you can disable the system effects from here, AOSP audio effects, if you don't want that. And if you want to enable Me Sound Enhancer, you can do that also. And even you can enable wiper effects options, and even force wiper effects, and even the Bluetooth settings. As I said before, you can disable SBC, AAC, aptX, HD, LDAC if you don't want that. And even you can prioritize SBC codec. This is the codecs you can enable or disable from here for a particular Bluetooth device. That's really good. These are developer settings that's been brought to direct settings for you. That's really good thing. And duplicate assistant and notifications and media, unclassified and rescan media, these things are given in this particular RAM. You can customize them even further. And interface, again here also plenty of options. As you can see, edge lighting, wake screen for notifications, and force SMS in call, heads up, dual line status bar, color icons, enable FP wake up, fingerprint scanner wake up. Plenty of options given here. These are the baikalOS extras. Now ASAP extras, here again plenty of customization. Again, auxiliary buttons you can change here. Power button, long press power button for torch, you can enable or disable from here. Cursor control, swap, volume buttons, answer call, control, ring volume, wake, playback control. These things you can enable or disable from here. Into the navigation, again action gestures, you get plenty of options here also. You can customize based upon left L swipe, right L swipe. You can choose action and select an app for that. That's how it is. And into status bar, again the plenty of customization available. You can choose carrier label from here. As you can see, status bar, network activity, expanded status bar, and battery bar. If you enable, there are plenty of options again into the inside that battery bar. You can adjust that. As you can see, that's how the battery bar. This all the customization available. Quick settings, again here also plenty of options. You can adjust the opacity, you can adjust the rows and columns and landscape and portrait. Those things are also given here. And into lock sync, again here also double tap to wake up ambient music, ticker and media, cover art. You can enable them, disable them. You can customize further them. You can increase the opacity. Always and display schedule is given. Fingerprint authentication vibration and error vibration also you can choose from here. Wake and unlock. Those are the customization in the lock screen. Weather customizations are also here. Not just that, again theme section, you can choose icon pack from here, icon shape, corners, QS shape, font. As you can see, there are plenty of fonts are pre-installed. Clock style, as you can see, there are plenty of clock styles available. Navigation bar also you can change here. Brightness slider style also you can change. Some of the customization available even in the volume panel. Style accent colors you can change. Base theme you can choose, and other UIs tweaks also given. As you can see, you can adjust plenty of options here. Show CPU information, always on display and charging, wake unplug and sharing animation, use Android 12 search bar. These kind of customization are available in this baikalOS. That's really good. Plenty of customization available. Even the gaming mode is available. You can see the live FPS count while gaming also. Let's see bgmi gameplay. Before that, I will show you the display settings, and the video is going to be interesting even more if you subscribe to my channel. Many people watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. And colors, as you can see, by default it kept to saturated, but it wasn't that much vibrant. Keep it boosted, then it is fine. Also share your experience with baikalOS, how good it is for gaming and day-to-day performance. Do mention down in the comment section guys, such that other people will understand. The newbies who want to flash this ROM, they can understand how great this ROM is. For me, it's going to be good customization ROM, and even the performance is also very good. Let's see how it handles in bgmi. That's one thing, always a question for people. And into sound settings, these things you can enable or disable from here. On me, sound enhancer here also present, and clear speaker options are also given. Battery and battery life, as you can see, it's very good. 1 hour 9 minutes screen time. It was 65% when I was flashing this ROM for the first time. Now it's 57%. It's very good screen time. You can expect around 10 hours with this Poco X Indian variant. If you have NFC variant, then you can expect around 8 to 9 hours of SOT for normal usage. For gaming, it would be again a different thing. It depends upon what all the apps you use. And many people complain that I have problem, if you use third-party applications which are not in the Play Store, you might encounter some of the bugs and some lagginess that you need to keep in mind. Use mostly the apps which are present in Play Store, then you won't get any problem. That's how it is. And into security settings, you get fingerprint, face unlock, app lock and smart lock. Let me show you the fingerprint unlock first. As you can see, it's quick enough to unlock. Not the fastest, but still it's very quick. And let me show you the face unlock. As you can see, the face unlock is also very quick to unlock. That's how it is. It's head to head to MIUI ROMs. That's how it is. And coming to speed test in this ROM, I have here 100 Mbps Geo Gigafiber connection. Even with mobile data connection also, it's working fine. 4G carrier aggregation, 4G plus is also working fine, as you can see. Now let's see the BGMI and wind up the video. If you forget anything, I will include in upcoming build of this baikalOS. That's how it is. And let's see the BGMI. What all the settings, I enabled some settings right now. Let's see will it comes. And here you see the real-time FPS count. Under standard settings, you get nothing fancy here like smooth plus extreme or 90 fps, but smooth plus ultra is given. If you want, you can use HD plus high also, but recommended is smooth plus ultra because high fps, very good gameplay. Also more battery drainage, that you need to keep in mind. More graphics also leads to high battery drainage, that's obvious. And volume is not loud that much, it's fine, you can definitely make it out. Let's jump into boot camp. Many people requested this from long time. I will be always listening you and make according to that. I'm already making this from last 2 weeks, the Changelog boot camp gameplay. Give it a like for that at least. Let's jump to boot camp. And brightness, the smartphone is cool enough, that's I'm really happy. And you can see here up to 120 fps it's given, but the gameplay is restricted to 40 fps. if you follow any gaming channels, they can show you how to load a file, then you will get smooth plus extreme on 90 fps. If you want, you can use GFX tool also, but it will not show in the game settings, but it will show in the FPS count. That's how it is to enable the higher FPS count. No one are landed here, hope so. Yes, no one are landed for some reason. You can't say this is a gaming ROM, or even you can't say that is like this is not the gaming ROM, unless until you have higher FPS count and how it handles, you can't complain that. But I really like some of the customization that's really different from any other custom ROMs for Poco X3. That's I really appreciate it. Need this kind of ROMs actually, and the good thing is like this will have updates option also, hence many people use this. Many people are requesting this from long time, but I was waiting for Android 12 build on this particular ROM, but haven't done as of now. In future, if they do, I will definitely cover, don't worry. Okay, I will come back, nothing enemies near me also. I will show you this TDM match. As you can see, same settings again, smooth plus ultra only, no extreme on 90 fps. Let's say in BG this TDM, how it handles. It's not laggy and it's not getting warm. That's really good sign of this ROM. That's how I'll come back. And charging speeds are also normal in this ROM. It's fine enough. You can use 33-watt charging also. You can see swiping and recent apps. You can see the real-time RAM available, and you can take the screenshot and clear all, and you can lock screen from here. Let's see. Obviously it's booted out of memory, it was opened long ago. The RAM management is also fine enough, and that's all guys in this video. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button also. And thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.